Hello you guys, back with another banger video here. This is a very important and special one to me. A little bit of backstory about this package that I have right here. In the great sale that I did a couple of years ago, I sold a crap ton of my Thomas items. By the way, use adult supervision when handling with knives, children. Knives are very dangerous, but this was one of the engines that I sold, and I've had so much regret selling him and getting him out of here. So, let's take a look, shall we? First of all, you can already see what it is. I have here a tar wagon. Just getting straight into it. Tar wagon. These tar wagons are awesome. Tomy tar wagon. Very nice, very cool. Here's the troublesome truck without a face, loser. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, the troublesome truck. You can't go wrong with another troublesome truck, right? You really can't. But here he is. The man himself.
Connection terminated.
You know, I mean, getting sort of emotional right now. It feels so weird to say, but this guy was basically my whole childhood here. And seeing this back in person feels fucking fantastic. I'm not sure if this was the one that I owned first. I don't think so. No. Because mine had a piece broken off right here. But not powering. There we go. Got him right there. I mean, this guy was probably not run for a little while, so we need to let him run in, but man. Oh, fuck. Shit, dude. I am so happy. This was the one that I was missing on my layout. And now seeing him here in my eyes, it feels fucking fantastic again, bro. In the condition that he's in. Wow. All I can say is wow. Oh my God. You may remember seeing him in some of my older videos, but of course then I sold him and now he's back. It's fucking fantastic. So, you know what time it is. It's time for a running session on the layout. All right, here we are, back at the layout with my boy. I can't explain how fucking happy I am right now. I don't have a second engine running for this because I want to have the full spotlight on him. So, yeah. Let's just get into it. Ah, fuck. Way to ruin the moment. Oh my God. Wow, is he fast as well. I am just in awe. I mean, this guy running on my layout again. I really didn't think I would see this again. Oh, we lost focus right there. But we are right now. And gosh, look at him go. This guy has a crap ton of speed, man. Just gave him some new traction tires as well, since, as you can see right here, one of them was absolutely crumbled and hard. So, it's all good. I mean, I've definitely done well with this. 25 euros for Tomy BoCo, including shipping. It was worth every single fucking penny. Look at him go. This is what you call peak. I mean, seriously. So I'm gonna end off the video right here. I'll be seeing you guys very soon because I have another special package coming on the way. So very excited to show you guys that. So yeah, talk to you soon, or see you soon actually. And hope you tuned in to the end of this review. Yeah, so, alright. Bye for now.